In front of me is Honor Pad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching an app you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Following that, tap on this tiny icon at the top right corner of it. And as you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it or reshape it, hold one of those bottom corners and drag it as well. To turn your app into a bubble, click on this line at the top left corner. Then access it by clicking on the bubble. To use it in full screen view, click on this square, also at the top right corner. To close it completely though, use this X at the top right one. To use more options of pop-up view, you can click on this blue line at the top of your window. Hit Got It, and use all of those options here. One additional one is using this app to go into split screen view instantly. In order to do that, click on this icon here and tap on the second app. To go back to pop-up view, click on this line at the top of your window and tap on pop-up view icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!